Hey everybody, my name's Anissa. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, I'm happy to have you all back and hang out with me today because we are playing in a very importantly recently launched palette, which is the Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab. Oh my goodness, you guys. When I saw this palette preview, I was shook. I was like, I need to get it, I need to get it, I need to get it. So I got it, and today we're going to create the look that you see on my eyes right now. So I'm going to stop the yapping and get into this glam. Don't forget though, if you like these type of videos, hit like so I can continue to create some amazing tutorials for you all. And if you're new and you like some glam and you want to hang out with me a little more, feel free, hit subscribe, join the tribe. I'm happy to have you here. Now, without further ado, let's get into the makeup. All right, I'm gonna take the Morphe M4401 and pick up the shade Pinker. And with Anastasia palettes, you do not need to swirl your brush in there. You just need to literally tap the brush in there and you're gonna get some amazing payoff on your brush. I'm using a color switch and I'm going to get rid of any excess product on this brush and really just blend it out. As you can see, it's not insanely harsh, but I can definitely feel like a heavier deposit of color, and I want to definitely blend that out. So sometimes before adding like a secondary transition color, try just blending it, and usually that will make it happen. Like, yeah, as you see, it's starting to diffuse it compared to this one. Now using a Morphe M443, I'm picking up the shade Credit, and we're gonna deepen up that crease ever so slightly. And again, just a little bit. You see that payoff? Yes. I do usually tap off the excess as well, but as you can see, I'm just starting to hug that closer to the lash line, but on that outer corner of the eye. And then I'll push it upwards a little bit and blend in. And then now that I cleaned that brush off a little bit, I'm just going to blend a little life away. Okay, so the initial bit of the shadow look is complete. I think I'm gonna actually cut the crease ever so slightly. I've just been into that vibe. So I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas just to lay the groundwork for it. And especially I wanna use one of these metallics, and this will help it truly like come through, pop to the fullest, be a little extra and be a little sassy. So I'll zoom you back in. Okay, so the lid is now prepped and ready for like that main focal point of this eye look that I'm creating, but I am in a dilemma because all the metallics are literally calling my name in this palette. However, I think I'm going to end up using the color Zam right here, and then also Trust Issues, and like doing something with that. So I'm gonna zoom you back in and we'll get into it. I'm gonna use the Morphe M167 to go in and start picking this shade up. Again, I'm just pressing into the palette to pick up that shadow, and that's your payoff. I'm wetting this brush just to intensify it just a bit. Now I'm picking up the color Zam with the same brush. This one's a little bit of a looser formula. Again, just packing it on the brush like that gave me that payoff. I am gonna wet this just to keep this really nice and intact so I can lay it down without having to re-dip into the pan a lot. I'm gonna kind of work this at the same time, so a little here. Run this back over. Just gives it a little extra twinkle in a little interesting way. And now I'm gonna pick up the color Soleil with Morphe E36 brush, just like that. And we are gonna pop that into the inner corner. Wha-bam. All right, so using the Morphe M508, I'm gonna start defining out the lower lash line. We're gonna pick up Credit again with that. The color is more on this side and going down. I'm gonna flip that up and then run that along the line so it can not fall down on the eye a lot and really give the opportunity to define it to the best of its ability. So now I'll pick up the NARS 12 brush. It's just a pencil blending brush and it diffuses color so well, and I'm going to go back in with pinker, so I'm working from dark to light when I'm doing the under eye. And here I'm just going to look up and blend in. Now I do feel like I lost a little of the depth on the outside here, so I'm just gonna go back in and fix that. So I'm changing up brushes and using the Morphe E22 brush. It is more of a domed blending brush, and picking up Credit again, just ever so slightly, pouncing the brush into the pan and getting that pickup. I like to knock off the excess. And here I just wanna like make sure this is having a good time and playing on that outer V. I feel like I've done a look like this before in a way, but not really. I just clean this brush off on the side and then I will work with that to blend out more. Doing one last work through of the color Pinker. Okay, so the eyes are almost done. I just need to do lashes and mascara. I'm gonna do that off camera and then also knock off the setting powder. I usually don't set this long underneath the eye, but sometimes I like to, when I am using a more pigmented shadow, just to catch fallout, all that good stuff, so I can keep it moving and keep it going. The lashes I'm using today is actually from someone I know. I met her at this mastermind event. I'm so happy I finally like got my hands on her lashes. I've been meaning to, but yeah. But these are from the Tiara Lash Shop. This is the Style Princess. It's just like a nice wispy lash. I usually go with something easy, wispy, just like this to complete like 99.9% of my looks. I did get one that's a little bit more dramatic, and I'll probably play with that in a different video, but today we're just gonna kick it with these, and I'll be right back with my face almost like complete. Alright guys, so I threw on the lashes, I did my blush and everything. My blush routine never changes, but I'll still link the products down below. Now we're ready for lips. Lately I've been really rocking in the color of the lipstick is named Rock. Okay, this is Laura Mercier. It's called a Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. It's like kind of like a pencil formula. Nevertheless, I really like it. It's kind of my easy everyday go-to, and it goes with like any makeup look I want. And I'll line my lips with this. It is super creamy, so you do need to like make sure you are applying this with like care. Okay, and then I go back in with NARS Slow Ride all over the lips. So this one's just like a liquid. Now if I really want to, I'll go in and add like a lip gloss or something. I don't know where my Fenty Gloss Bomb is right now, and the craziest part is I have like 3 of them because I like losing them. Like, let me just go get another one. But this one's just like the Kylie lip gloss, and yes girl, I feel like this did not last a very long time. I don't know. Not okay with that. I just keep that towards the center of the lips just to give it a little oomph. And that is the look. I hope you all enjoyed it. You guys, this is a fun palette. I'll talk about it in a more long form review format like I did before for like the Morphe Bronze Gold. So just make sure you stick around for that. If I upload it already, I will stick it on the card somewhere around here on the screen for you all to go watch and enjoy. I really love playing in makeup, you guys. I always have, I always will, and I love this palette. I'm so happy Jackie got a collab with Anastasia. Yay! Alright you guys, other than that, I need to run out to this girls' night. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe, join the tribe. All the information will be down below in the description box, including my social media, so y'all can connect with me a little bit more and hang out with me. I hope you all stay fun, stay glamorous, stay blessed, and I will catch you all in the next video.